My name is Tim, and this is another how-to video. And this is how to childproof stuff on a budget, or for really cheap or free. This is our TV in our bedroom, and we were having problems with my son coming in and just turning it on and then leaving the room, so it was on most of the day and wasting a lot of electricity. So what I did was I found a 2-liter cap, a screw, and right here you can see I drilled through, and I wouldn't recommend this unless you absolutely know what you're doing. However, this is the base, and most electronics in the TV are in the back or the rear. So I fitted this cap over. I had to be careful I didn't cover up the sensor for the remote, so I put it over like this, and voila, no more child turning on the TV. Although while that was on, we had to use the remote, which is alright. So now we no longer need it because he can run the remote anyway. The other fix is this. I had problems with him opening this and pulling out all my books, and all over the floor they went. So I had a bunch of these left over, and what it is, it's from a curtain rod, and the metal thing's attached to this, and they slide back and forth when you pull the cord. So we'd gotten rid of those curtains, and I had all these left over, and I save a lot, so because I always figure there's another use for them, and I couldn't figure out another use for these except this. And you can use just about anything that just hangs down. So basically what happens is, and of course now he's gotten old enough he can figure it out, but if you need to do it, you just lift it up and press on it, and it comes right out for you. And that is today's tip.